Hello friends, Tony here, so welcome back. Here we are when we left in the previous video, and in this video we are going to start to learn the string type. We have the example, but also I have opened here the TypeScript documentation website, and here I am in the everyday types section. And you can read more, but here we have the primitive types. We have string, number, and boolean. So JavaScript has three very commonly used primitive types. We have string, number, and boolean. Each has a corresponding type in TypeScript. As you may expect, these are the same names you see if you use the JavaScript type of operator on a value of those types. So string represents string values like hello world. Number is for numbers like 42. So JavaScript does not have a special runtime value for integers. So there's no equivalent int or float. Everything is simply number. And we have also boolean, which is for the two values true and false. Okay, and you can see some examples here. So also arrays, any, and so on. Now let's open the VS Code. And here we have this example, but I'm going to go back and I'm going to create a variable. I'm going to name it first name and it be equal with a John. Okay, now let's show you how we can assign a type to this variable. We can use colon, you have seen this, and the name of the type, which is in this case is going to be string. So this is a syntax to assign types to variables. So the name of the variable followed by a colon and then the type that you want to assign to that particular variable. So now in this case the first name variable, we have assigned the type string. Okay, now let's also, I'm going to create a new variable. I'm going to say full name. And yeah, we have used here template literals. So full name, colon. So we assign this full name to a string type, or we can use just first name plus empty space plus though, like this. And as you can see, we don't have any error at this point. As you may know, any string methods can be used in this type of string. Okay, so for example, we can say full name dot split. So if I just let me copy this and I'm going to console log this one. Okay, if I save also, I have around here the npm run dev, and I'm going to copy this URL and open it here. So paste that in, hit enter, open the console, and as you can see, we have here John and Doe because we split the full name. So we have first name and also the Doe, which is this one. Also, you can say for example, full name, I'm going to use the uppercase. So if I save and come here, yeah, we have the John Doe in uppercase. That's it, what we can do with this string type. But what we cannot do is, for example, we cannot call number methods. So if I say full name and I'm going to use again the exponential, as you can see, we have property to exponential does not exist on type string. Or if I use for example max, and instead of typing here numbers, I'm going to say full name. As you can see, we have the error because argument of type string is not assignable to parameter of type number. Also, if I say log here, the same thing. Argument of type string is not assignable to parameter of type number. The same thing if we want. So for example, if I say full name now to be equal with, I'm going to use first name Okay, but instead of do, I'm going to change that to Swift. And if we say again console log after this one, save, and let's see now here, yeah, we have John Swift down there. So we don't have any error if we change this full name to this one. But if I say full name to be equal with a number, of course, it's going to show us underline error, type number is not assignable to type string. Okay, so I'm going to comment also this one, and let's just, I'm going to move this up here. So this is what we can do. What we can do, and I'm going to copy that and paste it down there. What we cannot do with the type of string. Okay, and that's it all about this video. I hope you enjoy, and if you like such videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, share with your friends, and see you in the next one. All the best.